Hello and welcome to English Daily USA. Today, we are learning how just 15 minutes a day can help you sound fluent in English. Many learners feel shy. Many learners feel slow. But I promise you, if you practice in the right way every day, you will hear your English improve. Your words will come faster. Your sentences will feel more natural, and your confidence will grow. Stay with me. Let's do this together. Section 1. Building Daily Rhythm. Fluency is not about knowing every word. Fluency is about rhythm. It is about speaking in a smooth, natural way. When you speak every day, your mouth learns the movement. Your brain learns the pattern. I will say a short sentence. Please listen. Then I will pause. You repeat after me. I speak English every day. Good. Repeat it again. I speak English every day. Very nice. Keep going. Now listen. Speaking is practice, not perfection. Your turn. Speaking is practice, not perfection. Excellent. Remember, when you shadow me, repeat with my voice, you are training your rhythm. This is the secret to fluency. Let's try some useful daily lines. How are you today? Good job. Again. How are you today? I am feeling fine. Say it again. I am feeling fine. That's very good. When you say these sentences, don't rush. Speak slowly. Each word is a small step. Now, let's build longer lines. I am learning English and I practice every day. Your turn. I am learning English and I practice every day. Fluency grows from repetition. The more you repeat, the easier it feels. Mini recap. In this section, you learned rhythm. You practiced simple sentences. You shadowed with me. Every day, just 15 minutes will build fluency. Be proud. You are already practicing like a fluent speaker. Section 2. Thinking in English. To sound fluent, you must learn to think in English. Many learners translate from their language into English. This takes time. It makes speech slow. Instead, we train our brain to use English directly. Let's practice together. I will say a thought in English. Pause. Then you repeat it. Imagine you are thinking these words, not translating them. I need some water. Good. Again. I need some water. Now, another thought. It is a sunny day. Repeat. It is a sunny day. Very nice. Keep going. Listen carefully. When you shadow me, imagine the situation in your mind. Feel the meaning, not the translation. Here is another one. I am hungry. Say it with me. I am hungry. Good. Now, a longer line. I am hungry, so I will eat some rice. Your turn. I am hungry, so I will eat some rice. Excellent. This is how your mind begins to think in English. Now, let's do a little shadowing story. Follow me. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I drink a glass of water. I go outside. I walk to the store. Great work! Did you feel how natural it sounded? That is because you are training your brain to imagine in English. Remember, thinking in English is like exercise. At first, it feels hard. But with daily practice, it becomes easy. Soon, you will not need to translate. You will simply speak. Mini recap. In this section, you practiced thinking directly in English. You learned to imagine the meaning, not translate. You repeated short sentences and a daily story. This is a big step toward fluency. And before we move on, let me remind you, repeat this practice every day. You can even pause this video and say the sentences again. If you enjoy this lesson, leave a comment or a like. It helps us bring you more daily English practice. Section 3. Speaking with confidence. Now that you have a rhythm and you are starting to think in English, the last step is confidence. Confidence is what makes your English sound fluent and natural. Remember, confidence does not mean perfect grammar. Confidence means you keep speaking, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you speak, you are training your voice and your brain. Let's practice some confident lines together. I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. Very good. Now try this one. I believe in myself. Say it again. I believe in myself. Excellent. You sound stronger already. Now, let's practice useful conversation sentences. Can you help me, please? Your turn. Can you help me, please? That's very good. Keep going. I don't understand. Can you say it again? Repeat. I don't understand. Can you say it again? Perfect. These sentences help you stay confident when speaking with others. You don't need to hide. You don't need to feel shy. You can ask, and people will help you. Now let's shadow a short, confident dialogue. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. Nice to meet you too. Wonderful. That was a full conversation, and you spoke it with me, step by step. When you practice this every day for 15 minutes, you are building a habit. Habits make fluency natural. Confidence grows from practice. Every time you repeat, you become stronger. Mini recap. In this section, you practiced speaking with confidence. You learned to use simple but powerful sentences. You shadowed a conversation. You trained your voice to be clear and steady. Now, let's close together. You are making progress. You are learning every day. Your rhythm is better. Your thoughts are in English, and your confidence is growing. I am proud of you. Keep practicing with me for just 15 minutes a day, and your English will become fluent and natural. Thank you for joining me here on English Daily USA. Come back tomorrow for more daily practice. Remember, your journey is step by step, and you are moving forward. Keep going. You can do this.